Hello?
Hey there, friends. Have you ever felt that annoying tingle on your lip and thought, oh no, here we go again? Yup, cold sores, those pesky little lip blisters, always seem to show up at the worst time, right? Well, today I'm here to help you kick those cold sores to the curb faster than ever. Let's dive into some easy, effective home remedies that can make a world of difference.
So, what exactly are cold sores? Well, these little guys are caused by the herpes simplex virus, or HSV1. And get this, by the time we're 50, about 90% of us will have met this virus. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there's plenty you can do to manage it.
Cold sores usually go through 5 stages, and we've got remedies for each one. Ready? Let's break it down.
This is the first sign, the tingling, itching, or that weird burning sensation. Don't ignore it. This is your golden window to act fast. Here's what you do. Start with a cold compress. Just grab some ice or a chilled cloth and gently press it against the area. It helps reduce inflammation and gives you some relief right away. Now here's a pro tip. Docosanol cream. Apply it 5 times a day for up to 10 days and it can stop the virus from spreading. Catch it at this stage and you've got the upper hand.
By now, you'll notice small, fluid-filled blisters. Yikes! Don't worry. Apply 0.5% to 3% propolis cream 5 times a day. Studies show it can cut healing time by up to 4 days. Yes! You can also soothe the area with lemon balm or aloe vera gel. And don't forget a lip balm with SPF. Sun exposure is a big trigger for cold sores.
Alright, we've hit the most contagious stage. This is when the blisters might burst and ooze, and let's be honest, it's not fun. Don't worry, you've got this. First up, grab some apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 10 parts water, and gently apply it to the area with a cotton swab. This can help with its antiviral benefits and keep things clean. Now if the pain's getting to you, try a topical anesthetic like benzocaine or lidocaine. These are great for numbing the area. Just use a tiny pea-sized amount up to 3 times a day. Trust me, a little really does go a long way. Keep at it and you'll be on your way to healing in no time.
Now the sores start drying out. Finally, right? Dab some manuka honey directly on the sore. It speeds up healing and keeps things moisturized. And don't forget zinc oxide ointment. It's great for drying out the area.
By this stage, your scabs are flaking off and the healing is almost done. Keep those lips moisturized with a good lip balm, and don't stop using cold compresses if there's any lingering inflammation.
Now let's talk prevention. Managing triggers like stress and sun exposure is key. Wear SPF lip balm, practice yoga or meditation, and keep your immune system strong. And remember, don't touch or pick at your sores. Trust me, it's not worth it.
Here's the bottom line. Treat your cold sore as soon as you feel that first tingle. Combine home remedies like honey and aloe vera with OTC solutions like docosanol cream.
Keep your hands clean, stay hydrated, and if you're dealing with frequent or severe outbreaks, talk to a doctor. They can help you with more advanced treatments.
Did you find these tips helpful? Then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got so many more home remedies and health tips coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss out.
And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite remedies in the comments below. What's worked for you? Let's keep the conversation going and help each other out. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop a new video. Thanks for watching and take care of those lips.
See you next time!